Hi, this is Flash, and this is a video for Jeff. I just bought Taboulé salad with tomato and mint, €2.19, organic, bio, and it's 125 grams. And also I buy a little bit less healthy Rustler's quarter pounder for the microwave, and I will eat it together with the Taboulé salad. And afterwards I will eat these cinnamon stars. It's a typical German Christmas treat. So bye bye for now. So here we are back in my apartment. The hamburger is circling around in a microwave. Well, I think this is a strong anti-American argument. How can they eat such a thing? Well, I will. And there is the Taboulé salad. Organic. Yeah, it tastes very good. Of course, better than a hamburger. This strange thing. And I will drink a German beer. It's a pine tree beer, but it's just a name because it comes from a region in southern Germany, Black Forest. It's a regular beer, not the Berlin beer, the green beer. It's a South German beer. Oops. Good German beer. German beer, North African Taboulé salad, and US American cheeseburger, quarter pounder, whatever. So, bye bye to Jeff from Flash.